This could lead to changes in regulations and laws that impact the transportation industry. Privacy concerns. Self-driving cars also raise privacy concerns, as they collect and store data about their surroundings and passengers. This could lead to concerns about the potential misuse of this data, as well as the need for new privacy regulations and protections. Social and cultural impacts. Finally, self-driving cars may have social and cultural impacts, as they change the way we interact with transportation and each other. For example, the development of self-driving cars could lead to changes in social norms around car ownership and transportation choices. Accessibility. Self-driving cars have the potential to improve accessibility, particularly for people with disabilities or those who are unable to drive themselves. This could lead to greater independence and mobility for these individuals, as well as improved access to transportation for people living in rural or underserved areas. Environmental impact. Self-driving cars also have the potential to reduce the environmental impact of transportation, as they can operate more efficiently and with reduced emissions compared to traditional vehicles. This could help to mitigate the impacts of climate change and improve air quality. Cybersecurity. As self-driving cars become more prevalent, cybersecurity will become an increasingly important consideration. Self-driving cars are vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks, which could pose a risk to passenger safety and the security of transportation systems. Economic impacts. The development of self-driving cars could have significant economic impacts, both positive and negative. For example, while self-driving cars may lead to increased efficiency and productivity, they could also lead to job losses in the transportation industry. Ethical considerations. Self-driving cars also raise ethical considerations, particularly around the decision-making capabilities of artificial intelligence. For example, in the event of an accident, self-driving cars may need to make decisions about which individuals to protect or prioritize, which raises questions about the ethical implications of these decisions. Infrastructure. The development of self-driving cars may require changes to infrastructure, such as the installation of sensors and communication systems to support the operation of these vehicles. This could lead to significant investments in transportation infrastructure and changes in the way transportation systems are designed and managed. Public perception. The public perception of self-driving cars will also be an important factor in their adoption and success. Concerns around safety, privacy, and job loss could impact public opinion of this technology and its viability as a transportation option. Integration with other modes of transportation. Self-driving cars will need to be integrated with other modes of transportation, such as public transit and biking and walking infrastructure, to provide seamless and efficient transportation options. This could require new partnerships and collaborations in the transportation industry. Education and training. As self-driving cars become more prevalent, education and training will be necessary to ensure that individuals are prepared to operate, manage, and maintain these vehicles. This could include new training programs and certifications for professionals in the transportation industry. Cultural shifts. Finally, the development of self-driving cars may lead to cultural shifts in the way that we think about transportation and mobility. For example, the widespread adoption of self-driving cars could lead to changes in urban planning and development, as well as changes in the way that we use and think about public space. Insurance. The development of self-driving cars may impact the insurance industry, as the risks and liabilities associated with transportation may shift from individual drivers to manufacturers and